What's up? What's up, Chuck Chop? I bet you don't believe I ride. I do. We're going for a ride today. I've got to go to my favorite store, Harbor Freight. I'm going to take the bike, take you along. I don't know what the sound's going to sound like because I have a cheap camera, a cheap mic, and a cheap sports bra thing to hold the camera. We'll see how it goes and if I like to film while I ride or not. Call this an experiment. Alright, here we go. Moto Vlog 1. Got no idea how long this battery will last, but I got one spare. We're getting ready to find out. And away we go. How's that? I also don't want to be messing with this and not focus on my ride. Thank you. My particular area of the world, what we're coming into now is the goose ponds. People used to race out here illegally, and it's just farm ground that flooded every year. So eventually the state, DNR, somebody bought it, returned it to a wetland, attracted lots of wildlife down here. It's kind of pretty too. Place to pull off here. I got a text. I don't think it's important, but it might be. I think there's a spot that'll do. Gravel on a Goldwing. Yeah. Neutral is found, kickstand down. So yeah, it's a beautiful goose pond. Definitely not an important text. fist jump. Make sure my camera is tight. Very tight. And that is tight. Yep. Little goose pond. Oh golly. My cord was all the way down by my, this down by my feet there. I'll have to be careful and pay attention to that. Alright. Bye-bye, goose pond. Focus, Johnny. Out of the box. Good ride. I don't know how much you saw of it. Bucket and all. Tools in the saddlebags. I don't know how many miles I rode today, but probably 70, maybe 80 miles. Catch you later.